Alright, you guys, I just had this issue where zone 1 would work fine with the thermostat, but zone 2, as soon as that thermostat kicked on, they kick on the AC unit and that would be operating just fine, but it would not open the dampers for zone 2. So what I did to just bypass this was I went to zone 2 and I just disconnected the power to the damper. And for this particular unit, it's not for every unit, but on here you can see it reads right here where it says power close spring open. So what that's referring to is when there's no power to that damper, it's going to remain open. So that's what we wanted to do, because our unit kept freezing up, because when zone 2 would operate, it wouldn't open up the damper. It's just some malfunction with the zoning board. So until I get a new zoning board, this is a good thing to just bypass it with. You just remove the power to both dampers that you have, and it opens up wide open. So now your unit won't freeze up. So you can see the M1 and M6 are the power that is going to the damper. So on the board you can see zone 1, M6 and M1, which is right here. M6 and M1 are the power for the damper, and as soon as you take those out, the damper will open up, spring open. And then on zone 2, M6 and M1, we pulled those out as well, so that's why you see these two wires coming out. And basically there's no power to the damper, so the damper will be open fully no matter what zone is lit up. So that's going to help us bypass that zone.